Now unregistered copyright, you are getting that rights. Yes, Berne Convention is there, which is like giving you the protection. Now this Berne Convention, obviously it is giving you the automatic protection, you need not to do it. That protection is the countries where the Berne Convention is accepted, right. So in all that countries you are getting the protection for that particular creation. Now what happens, so you probably have seen many situations in Bollywood actually. We have shared with you one video also regarding that the movie is from or the song is from some other film industry, maybe it may be Hollywood or something like that, and in probably Bollywood that is completely copied. So that composition is like you can easily catch that similarity, and obviously it is a copyright infringement. Berne Convention is there, so if that decides, that the creator decides, they can easily start the legal proceedings against the producer who have used this particular content in the cinematographic film, because Berne Convention is giving that right